The program must be downloaded to the computer where it will be used permanently, as the license is tied to the machine. More precisely, the software allows one computer change within 1 year if the device needs to be replaced for any reason. As a first step, go to the auditaxiom.com website. You can download the installer by clicking the download button. As this is a new application, this message may appear for a while. So here I select Keep. You can see that the software is digitally signed. Here I choose Keep Anyway. Only a user with administrator privileges can install the program. If you do not have these permissions, please ask your IT administrator to carry out the installation. In this window, I click here. You can also see that the software is digitally signed. The installer warns that Microsoft SQL Server Local DB will also be installed together with the program. This will be used to store the data by default. Here, the data management component is being installed. Meanwhile, I would like to mention that in very rare cases, the installation of local DB may fail. In this case, please contact your system administrator, who can check what the issue is and install this database component separately if needed. Once that is done, the program will detect that a database already exists and will automatically complete the installation. I start the program, which may take a little longer because the antivirus software may be scanning it. Once this is finished, it will indicate that completing the installation may take some additional time. The installation has now completed, and the first company has also been physically created. Now I click on the License tab and press the Order Program button. The program opens the web-based order form in the default browser. Naturally, all required fields must be completed, and using the PayPal button, we can securely pay for the program, either from a bank account or by entering card details. Once the payment has been completed, we receive a confirmation, and the system first sends the unique license code by email. Then, in a second email, it also sends the invoice. My unique identifier has arrived, which I paste here and then save. Now, I go to the Procedures menu. Then, I download this Excel template file. After downloading, the program opens it immediately. This is where I need to paste the data exported from the accounting system. I have made a detailed video about this process, so I will not go into it now, but I have included the link to that video in the description. I paste the accounting data according to the guidance shown here. Here I can specify the location of the Excel file, and then the data import can begin. For the next import method, I return to the website. Here I can download the auxiliary program for SAP Business One. More precisely, the IT specialist of the audited company needs to download it in order to send the accounting data to the auditor. Let me show you the process. I will download a compressed file and extract it. Of course, the executable file is digitally signed here as well. This file contains the queries that the program runs, so the process is completely transparent. The system administrator launches the executable file and fills in the required information. When the IT specialist sends me the imported data, I create a new company and then log in. Here, I can select the type of data source. Then the data import can proceed. I would also like to show that before importing the data, you can specify the debit and credit signs here. I can also define how many decimal places the program should use. If new updates are available, the program will notify you here at the bottom. The installer can also be downloaded here.